After introducing a notable price hike to its Mac and iPad lineup back in June due to an unbearable memory chip price increase, the word on the street is that this year's iPhones will follow suit. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. A report from earlier this month says all iPhones from the 18 series will cost $100 more than their predecessors. However, the most recent report on the matter comes from a more reputable source, and it confirms the earlier claims from other tipsters. The increasing RAM and NAND chip prices are pressuring Apple to act and pass some of the cost on to consumers. People familiar with the matter claim that Apple was trying to avoid a price hike and absorb the cost, but it can no longer sustain all iPhone 18 prices. Means the company can share the cost with its consumers without outpricing the competition like Samsung. After all, Samsung, Google, and other smartphone manufacturers have already hiked their prices, so Apple doing so won't be frowned upon. Even though the iPhone 18 Pro could start at $1,199, it'll stay well within the competitor's price bracket. Additionally, the loyal Apple user base will likely allow Apple to increase prices further down the road if needed. So even if it sounds like a lot at first, a $100 price increase for the new iPhones is actually a conservative adjustment if we compare it to what's been happening in the rest of the market. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.